Here we go into Stony Lonesome. Dad done locked the gate for us. There's the bug, huh? Right. Any advice for somebody that's never been here before?
Just watch the mud holes.
So you got some deep ones out here?
Yeah, we got a few deep ones.
Are they on the natural trail, or is it you got to divert and go through a mud hole if you want to?
Well, some of them's on the natural trail, some of them's on the main trail. So just kind of watch how everybody.
Are there? Well, there's no. There's no. Okay, all your mud holes. Is there a bypass?
Some of them are, yeah. But
what's your name?
Mike.
Mike. Okay. Yeah. So when we call the shop, we need to ask for Mike to come get us out of the mud hole.
Mike or Drew. One of us.
Hopefully we won't be in a mud hole.
Maybe
I'm not a mud guy.
Well, just kind of watch how your tracks go, and you'll see where if there's a deep one, a lot of people go around it.
Right.
They made them a little track around it.
Right.
So just follow the track around it and don't go through it.
Have you been out around?
I haven't, and I've been off 2 weeks, so I haven't been out in a while. But I know we have got a lot of rain.
That's what I was just about to ask you, because we come up from Jacksonville, Florida.
Yeah.
It's been pretty dry there, so but you got a lot of rain?
Yeah, we got a lot of rain about 2 or 3 days ago, because all of our ditches is washed pretty hard.
So yeah, so everything's gonna be sloppy. Mud-wise.
Mud-wise, yeah.
All right.
Some dry, but just if you see something you don't like, turn around, come back.
I'm not proud.
I heard that.
All right, Mike. Thank you.
Just keep punching.
Yeah. Oh no. Thank you, Mike.
All right, y'all enjoy.
All right.
See, that says cooler checkpoint on the sign.
Oh shit. Okay. You gotta tell me where to go, honey.
Okay, well, you're in trouble.
From what I looked at, the map on Gaia matches that perfectly.
Right, so, yeah, I don't know. This doesn't have the colors.
No. That's what, yeah, that's exactly what you're going to have to say, okay, well, we want to, we want to kind of head towards that. So just to see, that's
There's
great.
a lot of green over here.
Yeah, we got to get there, though.
And it looks like the black will take you to the green. Most of it, but not all of it.
Well, we got a bridge. On the internet it said there's multiple water crossings. That'd be cool.
Well, okay, so let's see. This.
I'm going straight.
I know. I'm just trying to see where. So are we here?
Look,
this
honey.
is the main entrance. We're here. Okay, so we're already right here.
Right, we're at this right here.
We're going over the bridge.
Right, yeah. See if there's water in there. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of water in there. Oh, that's cool. Maybe we can go across some water. Here, we don't need this bouncing around up here. I was kind of hoping they'd say, oh yeah, we monitor channel 8.
Mm-hmm.
This is like Hugh Harris's property. They have this big gravel everywhere. Mm-hmm. And then you can see where the water just washes it all out and stuff.
Okay. All right, so we just went over the bridge.
Yep.
It looks like, would that be the red starting right there? And then this would be the...
Yeah, we're going to continue.
Oh wait, what does that sign say?
Cell tower.
No, the
main road. That's going to be that turn right there.
Okay, so yeah. So we haven't gotten up there yet. I don't know what that is. I don't know.
I don't either, honey.
Main road. Yeah, okay.
We kind of got to keep our bearings so we can get out of here.
Yeah.
I hadn't thought of that. I guess these are the mud holes. Yeah, I don't want to go through mud holes.
This says 8 right there. That helps. All right, so 8.
That's right there.
That's right.
Call
there.
box.
Yeah. That old antenna. Everybody used to have those on their houses. Do you want to turn this off or keep the air conditioning on?
You want to roll the window down? Is that what you're saying? I don't care.
What's the temperature?
79.
What do you want to do? Well, I guess we can. Let's roll it down. And then if we get hot, we can just say, hey, let's put some AC on.
I don't think cell tower's even listed. I remember reading that on the internet.
Cell tower.
There's a red number up here on
There's
the
funny names. Area 51. Better not. Rammer Jammer. Baldy.
See, the road goes that way. Okay, we got some numbers. Okay.
It says 402.
402.
Okay, let's see 402 in here.
Bird Point. Is Bird Point on there?
402 is green. That's this right here.
405 and 404 are the.
Here's
402.
And I guess
it's something called Bird Point.
Oh no. These numbers don't match that.
No, those are just these are actual road numbers. Those are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm say Bird Point.
Oh, I thought XY.
Man, where are we at? We came down. Where's 4?
We just went past the
404
water,
and 401.
and we went past 8. And I think we're here. Like you can go that. I think this straight ahead is because that says 402. And
right, 402 is right here, right?
Right. So I think if we go straight, we're on 402.
Right.
And I think, I don't know, would that be the blue up there?
So if we go that way, does this say 401?
Right, and then look up there. There's blue.
Yeah, that would be that right there.
And
Bird
then,
Point. There it is, right there. Bird Point.
I was looking on here for Bird Point. And
So
then
let's try.
And then if we get on green, we're gonna go to the right to get on the red.
Let's go. Let's try Bird Point. That's blue. That's advanced. Let's try that.
You saying go up that?
Going over here. See what I want to see. What they say. This is advanced. So I'm curious to see what they consider advanced. Rut it out. I mean, oh, I guess it'd help if I put it in 4-wheel drive, huh? And we got a little bump coming up here.
What does that do? What'd you just do?
I put it in low to go over this rock right here. Well, that wasn't a whole lot of nothing. Oh, we got more here. Little narrow trail.
See, that's why I don't want to drive, because I can't see, and I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're really
got a
good
little
at...
mud. I don't want mud.
Well, you know there's that little, we're going up, now we're going to do this sharp turnaround thing.
No, I don't know, honey. I'm not looking at the map. I'm not looking at the map. As long as that's what I want you.
Long, skinny U.
That's what I want you to kind of keep track of where we're going.
I will try my best. What are you doing now?
I took it out low. Probably didn't even need to do it. I'm just, always like when we first get out here, make sure, okay, I can get it, low's working, locker lights are coming on, blah, 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 blah. Oh. And every time we come out to something like this, it's just like, wow, this is so pretty. I would prefer not to go through mud and water. It gets in everything, but we'll go slow. Okay, we got a little V here, honey.
All right, so I think we're up here. We need to go like this. Like, We're doing this big, see how we're turning around? We just did this, and now we're going to go back.
So you think we should go that way?
Yeah.
Wonder what that doesn't show right there, right?
Mm-mm.
Right only.
Where do you see that?
Right there,
Yeah.
right there in the sign in front of us. Alex said the interview I felt went really well, really well. Cool, cool. Glad to hear that. Okay. Right only. That must be a maintenance road. Obviously we need to kind of watch for those. They got signs out here. Signage saying right only. What this was 402?
Mm-hmm.
Bird Point. I'm hoping he Ubered there.
He did.
Okay.
Because I told him, I said, oh, you want to get there early so you're not all sweaty. He's like, oh, I'm going to Uber there.
Okay.
So that's going to be an Uber day. I'm going to Uber there, Uber to AA, and Uber to work, and Uber home.
Oh, big mud hole over there.
Okay.
Oh no, that's where we're going.
Yeah, we're doing another sharp little turn.
Yeah.
So we're in this little turn right here.
What in the world?
It's probably one of those. It's probably Jimmy.
Hung up. It did. If it had been somebody, it would have come up.
Yeah, but did you attach their names to it last night?
Oh no, I have Jimmy's number. I don't have anybody else's.
Just keep flying on out. Just don't you stay in here.
Oh, no, that's a horsefly. We don't want that. Yeah, I don't know what that was. I'm not worried about it. I don't know what that static sound is. Hear that?
Radio?
No. Oh yeah, it's the radio. I mean,
Can't you turn the radio off?
oh, I had it muted. I guess when the phone called.
I don't feel safe right now. Yeah. I don't want to tip over in that with nobody here.
Would you relax, for crying out loud? That was nothing.
It was just like that other time. Same direction.
So you saw on the map where we are? Put your phone down.
I find out by today or Tuesday. Well, you responded. I don't want to be a non-responder.
Well, do you know where we are?
Yes, we just went past this.
We're on our second switchback.
We just finished our second switchback.
Okay.
And we're headed back to black.
Ooh, big spider web.
I'm gonna sneeze. I didn't see it.
Well, there's part of it hanging on the front of the Jeep. Hope Mr. Spider doesn't come crawling into the window. Or his partner, horsefly. Now, see, I think this is people just making shit up right here.
This should take us back to the Black Road.
There's a bunch of signs up there. Wonder if this is the mud hole he was talking about. Well, that looks like a bypass right there. Straight or left? I think that's where people are coming in.
I think you just go straight.
Oh, golly. That ain't good. Let's get that out of the way for everybody. Right. I think that was just the bypass right there. See, that's an entrance. There's another end. There's a sign up there. Ooh, big drop.
According to me, this should be where we are.
I don't think I want to go down that. I don't know if I can drop into that hole or not.
What's on that sign down there?
We're off the map right now?
Well, according to what I looked at, we should be headed. That shouldn't be red.
Well, I'm sure this isn't red. It's a washed out blue. Yeah, the caution tape somebody tore down. They had that trail, that part right there blocked off. Why are you walking like that?
I don't want to slip.
Bang your feet down before you get in, like we do at the beach.
There's really nothing on my feet.
See, that would be better to come up than go down. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make that turn. I think I saw some signs up here too.
Yeah, I saw that big sign that had like 4 or 5 different things on it.
Don't catch that. Don't catch that.
They used to have all kinds of those in Indiana. They told us how to make some kind of lemonade with it. Pink lemonade. And then I don't know what that says.
I'm probably gonna say bird poop.
Wrong way.
Yeah, that's because everybody's coming out of that.
Alright. Happy ending. The YouTube hill. Green field. Alright, so Doesn't it look like we're over here? Where's okay, this says Greenfield. Is one of these Greenfield?
Yes, these are all going to be names on the list.
But how? Okay, that says 7.
That's
7
not.
is
That doesn't apply to
Sledgehammer.
this. That does not
See
apply.
right there it says 7. Sledgehammer.
Where's
Sledgehammer.
7? Where do you see a 7?
Right here. 7. Sledgehammer. And there's a 7.
Oh, I thought you were talking on the sign. I'm